Hello guys, hope you're doing good today. Now we are going to discuss what is hashtags and how to trend it. One of the things people who have done this on social media is relentlessly continue to post hashtags or hashtags endlessly in the form of comments. Do you think there is a point in that?
There are a large number of social networks in the world today, and the two social networks that are widely used to revolutionize the world are Facebook and Twitter. Most people use Twitter as a microblogging platform. Any message you post there that is a Twitter message is called a tweet. The reply or response you or anyone else gives to that tweet is called a reply tweet. They will never be activated as a comment. Whether it is a tweet, a reply tweet, or a quoted tweet, it is a tweet. The hashtag contained in any tweet is trendy because it is contained in every tweet. But Facebook is a completely different matter. A response to a post on Facebook is called a comment or reply. It only applies to that relevant post. Also, using the hashtag on Facebook is completely different than on Twitter. You can use a hashtag anywhere on Facebook, but you can also use a hashtag anywhere to go to the feed related to that hashtag and view the post at the same time. But there is no way to trend it by using hashtag as a comment on Facebook. Does not happen. The best example of this is when they go to the hashtag #GoHomeGota, which they use the feed will only show the post made by entering that hashtag. You will never see comments containing that hashtag in that feed. But if you go to the hashtag on Twitter, tweet as well as reply tweet will be displayed. So, use your precious time to add hashtags with as many Facebook posts as possible and post them on Facebook without leaving hashtags and comments. At the moment, people are type hashtags for comments. Facebook pages in a short period of time by posting the same hashtags next to each other and recognizing it as an unusual activity through the Facebook algorithm once it stops. Some penalty time for Facebook pages will be provided. Therefore, sometimes the reach and engagements of the Facebook page can be lower than normal. Also, your Facebook account that makes such comments will be identified by the Facebook algorithm as an account that has been subjected to unusual activities. Rulers, social media analysts also want to temporarily block the ability of all of you who actively support this struggle on social media to engage in such fraudulent activities and comment on your account. Let's use social media correctly with understanding without getting caught up in it. Let's learn the right thing. Let's save time and use that time in this struggle in a useful way.
So, have you gained new knowledge from this video? If you wish to watch more videos like this, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching Learn with Abhiya.